Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change a ringtone sound for XIAOMI 12T. And to do this, open up Settings. Here, scroll down to find Sound and Vibration, then select Notifications. Right here you can use the sounds from library of XIAOMI Mi, or go for choose local ringtones or pre-installed ringtones. I'm going with pre-installed ringtones. Here select the ringtone and notification sound, and select a different sound for it. So I'm going with this one. Go back. And right here it should be changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.